Have you ever visited a website and admired the fonts used? Indeed, fonts can influence a website's personality and user experience. They let you create eye-catching designs and ensure consistent typography on your website, making it professional. In this video, we will equip you with various methods to identify fonts on websites. Now let's dive into the 4 easy methods for checking the fonts used on our website. Method 1. Browser extensions. Browser extensions like WhatFont offer a convenient way to identify website fonts. Here's how to use WhatFont. First, head to your browser's extension store like this. There, search for the WhatFont extension. Then, click the Add to Chrome button to install the extension, followed by the Add Extension option. Once installed, you will see the notice of WhatFont being added to your browser. Now, visit any website and pin the new extension like this. After that, click the WhatFont icon to activate the tool. Next, hover your cursor over the text you want to identify. This shows the web font used for the text. By clicking the text, a small pop-up will appear with more font details. Method 2. Inspecting fonts with developer tools. Modern browsers have built-in developer tools. Follow these steps to check fonts on a website with this method on Chrome. First, open the developer tools. That's usually done by right-clicking and selecting Inspect. Then, click on the Elements tab. Now, hover your cursor over the text you want to identify. The corresponding HTML element will be highlighted. Once you find the exact element, go to the Computed section below. After that, look for the font family property in that section. This reveals the font family used for the text. Method 3. Online font identification tools. Several online tools can help identify fonts from screenshots or website URLs. Here are some popular options such as What Font Is, What the Font by My Fonts, FontSpring, etc. These tools use image recognition and font databases to suggest potential font matches. So here's a quick guide on using the What Font Is tool. First, copy a screenshot or save the high-resolution image of the text you want to identify. Make sure it includes text with unique letters. Now, head over to the What Font Is website and find their font identification tool. There, paste, upload or drag and drop the screenshot. Here's where things get precise. Use the cropping tool to focus only on the text. Once you click Next Step, you can also optimize the image like this. The cleaner the image, the better the results. After clicking Next Step again, What Font Is might ask you to identify specific characters from the text. This helps it understand the font's unique details. Afterward, click Next Step when you are done. Now comes the exciting part. What Font Is will analyze the font and show you a list of possible matches. These might include free and paid fonts with links to download or purchase them. Take a close look at the suggested fonts. Pay attention to letter shapes, spacing and overall style. Pick the one that matches the closest to the original text font. Method 4. Manual font identification techniques. This method involves comparing fonts with existing libraries and analyzing font characteristics. Here is a basic approach. Collect a sample of the text from the website. Then browse through online or offline font libraries, searching for fonts with similar letter forms and characteristics. That's all you need to do, but here are some additional helpful tips to follow. You can explore font forums such as Adobe Community for inspiration on choosing and using the right fonts for your websites. Web-safe fonts like Arial, Georgia, and Verdana are widely supported across platforms, making them top choices for web designers and developers. Congratulations! By using the methods explored in this video, you will be well equipped to identify fonts on any website. Remember, fonts are more than just aesthetics. They can convey a website's personality and leave a lasting impression. That's a wrap for this video. Make sure you smash that like button, leave a comment below and share this video with your design buddies. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Site Saga for more awesome content.